The Moto 3 modification body kits on the market offers quite a wide range of options, others from simple to complex. So when you're considering of buying the modification body kit, there are quite a lot of things that you have to put into consideration. The scope of these body kits, they are not the same. So before you purchase, you have to ask if this body kit really suits your car, because some of them the installation is quite complicated and others they require just adhesive tape of installation, then it's good to go. You also have to put in mind that it comes in different types of materials, which includes carbon fiber, fiberglass and ABS. But today the one that I'm actually reviewing, we're gonna use the ABS material. So guys, let's go together and review the Veek tuning modification kit. My package has already been opened, but when you're opening yours, guys, you have to be extra careful because you have to make use of an X-Acto knife. So be careful that you don't cut your hand or damage the product. So let's review this Veek tuning Moto 3 modification kit. I'm very excited, guys. So let's open and see. Run along. First of this, this is a part of the rear bumper. It comes in 2 pieces. This rear diffuser, it actually comes in 2 pieces. This is just one part of it. This is the other part of the rear bumper. You have to be extra careful, guys. Don't be like me. Okay. Oh, okay. And these are the side skirts. There gotta be 2. And this is the front lip. The front lip comes with 3 pieces. And this is the front lip, which is separated into 3 parts. So we have the left side, the middle, and the end. So it's gonna be like this. The spoiler. And these are front lip canons. We come and put them here. And these are fender canons. So you gotta pull them on the fender line. These are some of the tools that we're gonna need. The adhesive tapes. We also have a tape here and some nuts here. So you don't have to worry about how am I gonna do it. In the following few minutes, we're gonna show you how to deal with this. So this is the rest of the Moto 3 modification body kit. Everything that you see here is gonna take part in modifying our Moto 3. So guys, let's go and get started and see how our car is gonna look like in the end. So guys, we're gonna start to use our screws and some nuts here. So first of all, we're gonna start with the front lip. The front lip comes in 3 pieces. I've already tried the other side already. So it's the middle one, 1, 2, and this 3, 1 here. So what you gotta do is use the silver nuts here because those are the smallest ones. And then you're gonna put it here. Make sure it's actually linked with this one behind, and then you screw it in. Now that our front lip is done, guys, I've done it, the 3 pieces. So you can see the normal front lip here is just a little bit plain, nothing special, nothing sporty. So I have to see if it really matches, it's the correct size and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be looking like this so that it becomes more sporty. Here is the spoiler. So for the spoiler, you have to use this tape. So on this tape, you stick it on the spoiler first, and then after you're done, you press it in. Then your spoiler gonna be looking like this. Okay, so the rear bumper is also 2 pieces, but looking at it,
It might seem like a little bit complicated, but you don't have to worry about that. If you follow our video, you're gonna make it Come on guys, let's come and see the results. As you can see now, the front lip is a little bit lower as well. It also widens the car. If you take a look at the original front lip, it's a little bit basic, nothing special. But here comes the sporty look because of this front lip. The paint cannons, they help with the direction of the airflow when you're driving your car. And then in the front, we have these. So the front lip cannons aiding the sporty look. They also help with the airflow, also with the chassis of this car. Here guys, as you can see, we have the side skirts. So the side skirts, they also widen the car. It makes the car look more wider, and then it also reduces, it makes the car go a little bit lower. Besides that, it also shows that it also helps with the stability of the car, and it also adds a sportiness look to this Tesla. At the rear end, we have the spoiler here. So guys, a spoiler, I mean, like a lot of cars do come with spoilers. It also adds the sportiness to the car, and it also adds with the airflow, especially when you're driving in high speed. And then if you come here at the bottom, we have this rear bumper with a diffuser which has the light. So this diffuser is actually a 2-layer, pretty much different from the normal rear bumpers that you guys see. So as you can see, it comes with this light here. We gotta remove this one. So this light is actually, it adds more warning. Like if you're driving, then there's somebody behind you, they can clearly see that you are stepping on your brakes, so they're gonna reduce their speed of their car. In that case, they'll actually reduce the risk of rear collision. So guys, this is how the rear of this Tesla is gonna be looking like. I personally rate this one 100. What do you guys think?